So for today's vlog, mag-a-unbox tayo ng mga gifts. And kakatapos na namin mag-Christmas party. And this is my dress. So it's not actually like i-unbox lahat. Kasi parang nabuksan ko na lahat eh. So ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo. So first gift. This. So na-broke ko na. So this is from Stacy. So thank you, Stacy. So let's open. Yes, and our guys, ball pen and correction tape. Isa natin. Okay, let me do the magic. Tada! So, nasa pencil case na pala siya. So, ito guys, correction tape and 4 pens. So, let me put it back. Because I don't want to be messy. So, we put it back. Then we put it back here. There. Now, time for the next gift. So, this is the second gift, guys. So, parang binulo ko na. Pinunit ko na. Ang hirap kasi buksan, guys. So, this is from Jeray. Thank you, Jeray. Oh, what's this? Sabi na natin, guys. Wow. Parang order kasi Jeray. Yeah. Wow, bag. Bag, guys. Oh. Bag. Wow, ganda. Thank you, Jeray. So, time for the third gift. Third gift. This is from Basti. Thank you, Basti. So, let's open. Paano ito'y open? May pa-ribbon pa kasi. May ribbon. Ayun. Ay, paano? Ayan. Yan, nabuksan ko lang. Okay. Cute guys. Sticky notes. Ang cute. My pancake and ano to? Water? Basta bottle and a donut. And what's this? Cake? So guys, there's cake and pancake and a bottle and a donut. Sticky notes. Thank you, Basti. There goes Ra. So, for the next gift. So, ang haba nito guys. And ginalo ko na naman. And so, this is from kanino to? Where is it? Oh, there. So, this is from Liam. Thank you, Liam. Thank you, Liam. Wow. Alam mo guys, binuksan ko sila lahat pero hindi ko tingnan kung anong laman. There's one for Chromie. Paano ba ito? Ayan. Wow! Ano po? Uy, bag! Oh yes, I have another bag guys. Wow, ang laki! Cute niya guys. Thank you, Liam. So, time for the next gift. So, this is the 5th gift. And I broke it already. So, this is from Zayda. Thank you, Zayda, my best friend. Oh, best friend. Okay. So, it's a headband. So, let me just take this off. And this. Oh, para siyang ladybug, guys. Wait lang. Isutin ko to ngayon. So, this is the 5th gift. And there's still more. So, we're gonna go to the 6th gift. So, this is the 6th gift, guys. And this is from Miela and Wami, my best friends too. So, let's open it. So, there is 2 pens. And it's cute. Ang cute nila. Purple and pink. And then, just a little notebook that you can write on. And it's like a keychain. See? So cute. Cute. Thank you, Miela and Wami. So, that's time for the 7th gift. So, guys, this is the 7th gift. Joke lang. Ito lang yung wrapper, guys. Because na ko na. So, this is the gift. So, this is from Effie. So, thank you, Effie. Gusto ko talaga mga bracelet making set kasi mahilig ako dito. Thank you, Effie. Hindi ko muna siya bubuksan. Kasi, baka man mahulog. So, thank you, Effie, so much. And then, for the 8th and last gift. So, this is from Ethan. Thank you, Ethan. So, let's comes out and it's 2 pens. Let's open the pen. Ooh. Ah. Wait lang, gusto ko matry mga pens. Okay, how does this work? Oh, you click it. Oh, yeah, this. Wait, oh no. I need to take this off. Look, there's some red. I need to take it off so I can try it on. Bro, so hard. Why is it so hard? It's so hard. Okay, there's almost there. There. Now I'm just gonna fix it. Okay, now let me try. Here. I'm gonna watch you guys. Okay, I'm gonna just write a heart. Oh, heart. Okay. Intention. Ah, so good. So, let's start. This is what I like. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh my God, and it's the right no one horse open sleigh. Hey, dashing through the snow, and one horse open sleigh. Oh man, if you go, every all the way. Okay, let me try this. No, why is it so hard? So, okay, I'm gonna stick this. And then, there more. Yeah. So this is a sticky note again. Thank you. So cute. So guys, so let's move on to the mga nakuha kong mga candies, coins, basta kahit ano sa mga games. The first game was the boat is sinking. So when 13 kasi kami, guys. And when nung naging 8 na kami, so pinag-groups kami ng 3. And hindi ako sumama. So, out kaming dalawa. Limot ko na kung sino yung isa. Pero out. So, hindi ako nanalo sa first game. So, pero sa second game, stop dance, yung magaling ako, hindi talaga ako na-move, guys. Kahit nga hininga ako, hindi ako nahinga. Mata ko hindi nagalaw. Basta guys, lahat hindi nagalaw. Kasi kahit umimik, guys, out! Gumalaw man lang ang kamay ng unti. Out! So, asan na yun? So guys, sorry. Parang basta mga games to, guys. Tapos yung mga iba, mga pang raffle, mga ganyan. So this one. This is a Halloween, a pumpkin gummy. So ito yung kanina sa lunch namin, yung Sonic sa McDo. The Happy Meal. I-roll mo siya, guys. Iikot siya. So, and another pumpkin gummy. And then, ooh! Look. Wow, there's more. I didn't, So guys, wala bigay pala sa akin nito. Ball pen. So thank you kanina yun. Oh my God, I forgot this. So these two, guys. And I don't know kung kanina to, pero thank you. And this chocolate. Toblerone and Pringles. Thank you. Pero hindi ko yung maubos. And here. Where's the hair? Wait lang. Let me try it on. Wait, ganito ba yun? Is it like this? Because I have never wear this before. Okay, there. It's good. So time for this chocolate. It's an egg. Lang. Later, guys, let's try this. Guys, look, a candy cane. I know I have more candy cane. There's two big